Oh my god. That's weird.
Hello guys, so ngayon I'm going to meet my friend in Dongmyo. So I'm here in City Hall or Sichong. Ang layo pala ng transparent dito. I miss here. Nakakamiss yung gala ko dito sa Seoul actually. See you Hewa, see you Dongmyo. Charot lang. Ayan. Mga harmony yung kasama. Ang gaganda pa na nila. Punta tayo dito sa Oljero. Longshimi. Hello guys, so ngayon is dito tayo sa Dongmyo. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga cheap price dito na mga damit. Look. Yan yung station. Exit 1 lang kayo. Dongmyo Apes. Exit 1. And then, yun yung mga tinda dyan sa gilid-gilid. Mga sikanhan yan, huwag kang mag-expect na yan. Mga brand new, mga sikanhan yan and good quality. Yeah, let's go there. Mag-ano muna tayo sa... Tatawid muna tayo sa stoplight. That's the big market. Ay, pag ano naman to si Hamon. Pwede ka pala yung exit dyan. Pwede orange line. Orange line. Muslim makikita mo dito is mga matatanda talaga. Ayan. Hanapin ko pa yung kasama ko na ito. Yan. Ito pala is pangasikahan siya, pero good quality pa naman. Ayan pa lang siya, sikat pala yun. Boy. May matanda rin dito na hingi-hingi. Yung mga apple. Uy, ang mura. Ang mura ng sagwa kasi pasira na. Saan pala yung friend ko na Ethiopian? Hanapin ko muna siya. Marami din mga biscuit dito. Hindi ko alam saan. Dami ding shoes, oh. Manon-manon lang din. Good quality pa yan. Yung iba bago lang din dito. Hindi lahat sikan. Ay, may motor. And then, meron din palang mga buko dito. Pero, medyo mahal na siya. And, nasa presyo siya. Parang nasa 300 siya. And then, yung mga second hand na yan, okay yan sa atin. Parang na siyang 40 pesos. 40 pesos ng 80 pesos. Ganyan yung presyohan nila. Yan na yung pinakamura dito. At saka nakabili ako dyan. Ang ganda pa. Ayan, si Ajuma ng coconut. Gusto ko sana bumili kaso lang parang di ko type yung kasi parang yung tawag sa bamaladang yun, di ko tanong sa Tagalog. Ayan, yung iba dyan nakayaka na, ilang oras na dyan, ilang ukay din ako dito, mga din ako dyan, parang 30 minutes ako nag-ukay-ukay. Ang dami rin magaganda. 40 pesos.
Pag ano ka lang talaga, masipag ka lang talaga mag ukay-ukay. Shashoshi! Nakatingin pa sa akin.
Dito na ano, mga foreigner.
Ayan. Yung mga hinanger is medyo mahal yan. Nasa 15k won. Parang nasa ano siya, more than 600 peso.
Yung mga good quality.
Yung mga naka ano talaga is yung mura. Ayun yung mura talaga. Mga 40 pesos, 60 pesos, 80. Kaya yung mga naka-hanger, medyo mahal-mahal pa yan.
Hindi masyado mainit. Kasi umulan kahapon. And then mamaya din ulan din. Kaya maganda mag-ukay-ukay. For now, mag-vlog muna tayo. Yan ang mga Colgate and sabon din. Tapos tinatrapuhan lang nila. Hindi pa naman daw expire yan. Ano eh? Since because I'm walking.
It's good to live around here.
Yeah.
Even
But-
like household stuff, the decoration and stuff. I really like that. It's so
Very
sweet
cute
and-
sandal.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. I've been here when you call. I've been. What do you want to buy? You just come for a walk?
Yeah, but I need also just like clothes or bag like that. I wanna watch also.
You see?
We're together here and down, yo. But they're always very cute. But the camera is always rolling. Yeah.
So there's no problem because I covered with mask and
Oh look, it's so nice.
there.
Yeah. You can choose a lot here because a lot of cheap price store.
I have a lot of options.
Yeah. Because if inside like this, it's little expensive. If like that, it's a little expensive.
cheap.
Oh yeah, just outside only, but inside maybe we try. Oh, I want to wear like this when I go to Philippines.
I'll check first. Let me check the shoes.
Oh.
Like I will. When I go to church, I will wear this.
You try.
Yeah.
You try.
You'll see.
Hold
I
on.
will. I will.
Just me watch. Just try. Okay. We call this okay. In Philippines, we call this okay. It's very cute for baby. Oh, it's very cute. I wanna buy for my
Buy.
baby future.
Buy them.
Baby future.
Oh my
My
God.
baby future.
That's weird. Imagine.
For my niece.
It's not fair.
Yeah, you can show me chocolate. Thank you. And just open it. Actually, I buy this also in Kopang.
Yeah. This one. See how beautiful it is.
Yeah, it's healthy.
Colorful.
Very. How many minutes is that?
To get. Why don't you put it?
Oh, pulling down. Just to see.
Oh my God.
And this is our food.
Ibon.
Yeah. Also,
Only hot.
I wanna try that. I buy this one. Oh, it's very good. I know that.
Oh.
We have a lot.
Bamboo is very nice.
Yeah. Also, we eat that when young.
Oh,
Bamboo.
really?
Yeah. Oh, also in Korea, right?
Bamboo?
Yeah. Baby bamboo.
Oh.
Baby bamboo. And this is our lunch. Oh, I very enjoyed it. Noribang.
Yes. Last time.
You know when I wake up that Monday, that's like my hair is
Oh, really?
yeah,
Wow.
because I shout.
Yes,
shout
mine also a little bit.
Yeah.
But not a lot. Matcha.
The Black Coffee is very cute animation.
Yeah.
Black Coffee. Black
Black
American.
Americano.
You want try?
You want to try?
No, I always eat that. Even my home. You know, my husband buy like that style. But for diet style.
Is it good for diet?
No, the rice is different, and there's a vegetable also, a lot of vegetable. This one it's real. It's
Yes.
not like.
I'm tired, that's why I need some energy. A lot of calories. This has a lot of calories.
Yeah.
Yesterday also I ate a lot of calories. Do you know Ashley?
Your friend in school?
No. The food. On
Ashley?
Lotte. Lotte.
You go there?
Eat this at least. No, go.
Why?
Because I had 3. I ate 1. Take it.
Thank you. It's much here, this one.
Yes.
When I cook carbonara, I
Yeah.
always put
Take
sausage.
1 also.
No, it's okay. No,
I know,
no.
that looks good. Why?
Manon. Already buy Manon.
My name.
Because I didn't notice.
Oh, there's a motor. There's a lot of shoes here.
Yeah, so cute.
I'm just worried this one, the color is like white like this.
Beige color. Okay, the brings some white.
Actually, it's like here. Have a look. So, we're finished, right?
Yeah, now only one. Something like this. I want one, only something like this.
Yeah. Everything is shoes. What a buck. 15,000 only. Oh.
May short to, ano yung kanyang budget.
Here also is nice. Have a look. Ah, ibsa. We go.